60.
60 kilos?
Mm.
Hala. I think that's so heavy, guys. That is mangoes. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. We are here in the countryside, guys, and then my father, brother, brother-in-law, my auntie or neighbor here, guys, they are helping to harvest the mango of my father, guys. But this is not our mango, guys. This is just like 30% for the owner, guys. Like this. Pagkita daw dong. My brother, guys, using kasi tawag gani basket. Basket. And with cookie, guys. Cookie here. Mandagan. Nati marumoli man to miri anarite. Ngon to siya moli daw siya karon. Gabi ni ngadto sa sakubangan.
Sige na kalin na ito ya.
Isla. That is my brother-in-law, guys, and my brother, my father, my mother and auntie, the mother of Anne, my father, yeah, that guys, and Cookie here, Cookie. Cookie very cute, guys. Allah. Huy. Allah. Cute, basta vitamin ng tino. Latte, sinamok. Here, guys. Yo! Hoy! Kuwan karon. Hello, guys. My niece, guys. DT Cookie.
Maligo sit dia mag-ilis sa brief. Ilis sa brief.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Cookie. Ito si Cookie.
Na?
Tanawa daw wala daw siya. Tanawa ay sunday. Sunday ayun anak. Gilaon sa talaon signaw ko. Mabang nakot na.
So, tanan dong. Malagom na dagan mong mangga ma. Dagan mong mangga baligya ron.
Di ba malagom ba?
Di ba? Dagan di isang pala merkado. Dagan di kayo mangga. Nata. Alikon. Hala, iyo, gitumpan ay enta eh.
Yak sa ero.
It's my father, guys. And now harvesting mangoes. That's how we harvest mangoes here in Philippines. And that is cleaning a mangoes to check if the mango is good or not. No good or good. My brother. Anoy. Gimadalaan yan ako. Up here. Okay. Here, up in the trees. Hi, guys. With the Cookie one. Oh, really, Cookie? He's really tired. I am unstoppable.
Ang sum, tinalagi na sa imong tugong. Oh, nagtapok na no. Ano naman te? Wala ko tandog gada. Ha? Wala ko tandog gada. Kaya hang tandog kay ag.
Bugat pa? Ayaw,
Okay,
gid
sama ka cookie. Na.
Hala. Okay. Ate, ate. Ari ko ha. Diya ka kabuang.
Dali oy.
Okay. Ali. Guys. Kanang I think that's paminahan mo pa kanang pila na ka kuan bugaton.
60.
Ha?
60.
60 kilos? Hala. I think that's so heavy, guys. That is mangoes and a big basket. Yeah. Sama pa. Oh.
Ito.
And then there. Until there. It's so far.
Ito po kay ito man. Ay, ito bro.
Oh, cookie, guys. Look at cookie, guys.